Hey ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to be changing an injector on the diesel 2-litre Ford engine. Now this engine is a Peugeot built engine, so you will find it in Peugeots, Fords and Volvos. The tools I'm going to be using are a 13 and a 17mm spanners, an Allen key, 7mm, long nose pliers, screwdriver, a self-made seat cleaner that scrapes it and doesn't cut it, and obviously my injector. So let's get to it. Right guys, here we go. The way I do this is most probably different to how anyone else does it. It works for me. If you've never done an injector before, you might find that your injectors will be stiff. When you go to get them out, they won't want to move. This has been done a few times, so it should be quite easy to get out. But never say never. Holding the connection here on the injector with the 13mm and undoing the bolt or the nut with the 17, because you don't want to loosen that off, or what happens, it will start to leak. I will then remove the clip down in here. I don't know if you can see that from there. Let me see if you can see that. Down in there is a small clip. I'm going to pull the clip out slightly. Then take my long nose. It's hard to do this with a camera. And wiggle that out like that. And I've got it out. I'll then take my screwdriver and just down on the top of the return pipe. I'm just going to ease that out a bit. Just a little bit. That should be enough now to pull it out. Right, let's put you back down. I'm then going to take my 7mm Allen key, loosen off one side, remove the other side. The holding, I don't even know what you would call them, the holding nuts. Now, as I said, I've done this a few times, so this injector should wiggle out. Now, looks pretty wet to me for some reason. I will then take my self-made seat cleaner, insert that into the hole, and just turn it slightly and give my seat a scrape. I'm not too into the cutters. You can buy a seat cutter, but you know, if you cut too much, you mess it up. So I just do it with my scraper. Once that's done, I put my clip in, prepare the clip like this. I will then drop the injector slowly in to its position. Put back. So we're now here. You've got the pipe in place at the bottom. Let's get some light on here. Yeah, there we go. Got the pipe in, the return feed, clip that in, push the clip in. Now I like to do up this pipe, the feed pipe first from the high pressure pump. my 17 and 13. Like so. We then add our holding nuts in. One there, one there. Now the way I like to do this, personally, is I turn them back, then from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A half. This side a half. A quarter. A quarter. Another quarter. Another quarter. That's just in case it's different sizes. Right. Now it's starting to get tight. I would do it. They suggest, I think it is 4 Newton meters, which is about that. And then what they do suggest after that is a quarter a turn. And that should be enough that your injector, if the seat's clean, does not leak. Everything seems on. You will. And then we'll start the baby. Now we're just going to check over, make sure nothing's leaking. Yeah, not bad, not bad. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Stay safe. Bye bye.